Guardian Capital is a SEBI-registered investment advisory firm. Headquartered in Hyderabad, we bring over a decade of experience in serving ultra HNIs across India and globally. We specialize in retirement planning and personalized wealth management. We act as a single point of contact for all financial needs, just like a family financial advisor. Why Guardian? We don't sell products. Every recommendation is driven purely by client needs and backed by deep research. Our advice is delivered by qualified financial professionals and a dedicated research team, ensuring decisions are logical, data driven, and tailored to each client. We follow the same discipline in managing client portfolios as we do with our own capital, focusing on strong fundamentals and long term wealth creation. Collaboration. Now, what we've realized is clients get the best outcomes when professionals work together. So, if you're already advising clients in your domain, whether it's tax, legal, or transactions, we simply complement that by handling the investment side. You continue to be the trusted advisor, and we strengthen the overall financial outcomes for your clients. Through this collaboration, you also create an additional structured revenue opportunity while adding more value to your existing relationships. If this sounds relevant, happy to connect and explore how we can work together.
Every month, markets change, but strangely, many investment recommendations doesn't change with your life or your goals. In most advisory setups, research is driven by central product teams, a fixed list. 2 or 3 products updated every month, often influenced by commissions, often disconnected from individual goals. At Guardian Capital, we do it differently. We don't start with products, we start with research. Our research is based on core fundamentals of the business: cash flows, balance sheet, sustainability, governance, and long-term value. Not trends, not monthly product pushes. We are not product sellers. We don't select investments based on commissions. There is no pressure to sell 2 or 3 products every month because advice should never be driven by incentives. At Guardian Capital, your relationship manager will work directly with a research analyst, together build a personalized portfolio aligned to your goals, your time horizon, and your risk profile. Not model portfolios, not one size fits all advice. Our team includes chartered accountants, CFA chartered holders, CFPs, SEBI registered investment advisors, and MBAs. Multiple perspectives, one objective: what's right for you. Because real wealth management isn't about selling products, it's about disciplined research, personalized advice, and long-term conviction. Guardian Capital, research-led, clients first always.
Most investors are comfortable with their advisors, comfortable with their strategy, comfortable doing nothing. Comfort feels safe, but it comes with a cost. Let us start with 3 important questions. Question 1. DIY investing. Do you invest on your own? Most Indian portfolios today are over-diversified, lack focus, and are rarely reviewed with a long-term strategy in mind. Data shows that less than 20% of the Indian investors rebalance regularly, losing 1% or more every year without realizing it. Question 2. Advisor satisfaction. Are you happy with your current advisor? Close to 70% of the advisory relationships are commission-led and not goal-focused, which means advice often follows product and not long-term outcomes, which means even a 1% misalignment with your cost, portfolio churn, or selection quality can eat into your long-term capital. Question 3. Investment approach. Does a familiar investment approach feel safe? Indian investors invest across asset classes, which includes equities, real estate, gold, or fixed income. Investments are often left untouched because the familiar feels safe without realizing that what feels stable today can quietly fall behind tomorrow. Individually, these gaps seem small, but over time, the 1% can mean the difference between comfort and compromise. So let us ask the real question. If everything remains same advisor, same strategy, same comfort, what if the difference is just 1%? On a 1 crore portfolio over 30 years, the 1% isn't small. It's 7 crore of extra wealth. And it's not just extra money. That same 1% decides whether 1 lakh that you spend today could have been 1.3 lakh, which is a 30% increase in your lifestyle expenses. If every person matters to you, Guardian Capital does too. because that extra 1% return doesn't stay on your spreadsheet. It shows up in your life. You spend more, you travel more, you live life without compromises. Not because you earn more, but because your money worked better. Thank you.
As your wealth grows, so does the number of people managing it. A wealth manager for investments, a chartered accountant for taxes, an insurance advisor. Different advice, different priorities. You are the one left trying to figure it all out. It costs time, it creates complexity, and sometimes the advice doesn't even align. The real question is, who is looking at your wealth as one complete picture? At Guardian Capital, we play a different role. We act as your family's here. One single point of contact, end-to-end oversight, and your wealth coordinated under one roof. Whether it is investments, tax efficiency, insurance, or long-term goals, everything works together. We don't sell products, we advise. We focus on long-term, not transactions. We simplify complexity so you can focus on what truly matters. Because real wealth is not about returns, it's about clarity, time, and peace of mind. Guardian Capital, one family, one advisor, one place.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.